Hi, Doug here. So a typical robot or any CNC machine worth its salt can move in an XY position without any problems. Where an industrial robot gets really awesome is you could teach it a tooltip. So that pointed screwdriver there is a fixed point in space. If you notice, the gripper is going to move around that tip in space and not drift off of that point. There is a processor inside the robot that does something called reverse kinematics, where it calculates based on that tip point how it needs to move all of these joints to keep that tip in the exact spot. Now that's not a standard location, that's got a right angle to it, it's offset, and there's a really cool system which I'll do a video on training those points. But you can see how complex the arm has to move to keep that tip lined up with the point of the screwdriver. So now you may ask, why would you need that? What is the point of having that ability? Well, moving a robot in XYZ position, simple. CNC machines do it. It's real easy. But let's say you're trying to do a weld path around a curve, and you need to figure out how to maintain that path. Well, you can do every single individual point by moving each joint individually. That gets really complex in programming. You want to do it fast? You teach where the tip of the torch is, and that torch now can move around any point in space real easy. This allows for much faster programming and robot control. Also, too, with the robot knowing where the end effector is and how much weight is at the tip, it can adjust the load on the servos to make sure it doesn't overshoot or undershoot its point when it's accelerating. So it allows you to get some pretty cool control over a robot. And this is why people spend so much money on industrial robots, is for things like that. Not to mention, they're really awesome to watch. Thanks for watching, guys.